Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Race. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a car. So I'm using TupiTube desk software for animating this car. So first you want to download the TupiTube desk. Just go to your web browser and search TupiTube desk and then download it. So I'm going to the software. Yeah, this is our TupiTube desk software. So you can see lot of options here. Just click on the file, click on create new project, or just click on this OK. So this is our editing interface. You can see lots of options: player, news, pencils, object selector, training, undo, redo, copy, lots of. Just click on the frames and go to vector dynamic BG mode, and I'm going to import the background. Just click on this import image road. Don't worry, I will give the link to download the images. You don't want to download image from web browser, I will give the link in description. Yeah, it's perfect. And then I'm going change this right to left and go back to frame mode, and you want to import the car. Just click on the import image car. Yeah, yes, I have placed it. It's alright. And next we want to add wheels. So go again to import image and then you can see wheels.png and just click on yes. So this is our wheel. I'm going to minimize it. Yeah, that's perfect. And I'm going to place it. Okay, we want to minimize it slightly. Yes, it's all right. Okay, then right click on the tire and copy, and then right click again and paste and drag it. Yeah, place it in back. Okay, so our wheel is ready. Okay, then you can see here twinning option and this, and you want to click on that arrow and plus select object, set properties, ending frame 100. Yep. We want to change the speed to 10.00. Okay, and next I'm going to rotation twinning again and press that plus button double, and I have select the object, change it to 100. Yeah, oh sorry, I had made a mistake. It is 10. Yeah, and save it, play. Yeah, then we want to select this car body, right click on it, copy, and right click on it, paste in 100 frames. Yes, and just play it. Yeah, our video is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like the video. If you want more interesting videos, just subscribe our channel